can be late for meetings. Let's make it more complicated. Despite the rules that say that no one can be late for meetings, like Mary came in late and no punishment followed. Something like this. That annoyed everyone. Everyone gets punished, but Mary didn't get punished. Is this a correct sentence?
No.
Let's fix it. So there are two ways to fix it. What would be the first one? Let's fix it.
We can say, for example, that behavior annoyed everyone.
Exactly. The first correction is that behavior annoyed everyone, right? And the second way to fix it is, what can we do with the sentence? Rewrite it.
Rewrite,
So that we can keep that here if we have a noun or a noun phrase, but that doesn't really belong to with any noun. It's not Mary, it's not punishment, right? What does that describe here? How can we rewrite it so that that has a clear antecedent it can belong with?
Mary came in late, but there was no decision to punish her.
Well, we can keep it this way. Mary came in late and no punishment
followed. Yeah, and then punishment followed. That annoyed everyone.
No, which was, if we keep that, then again, that should replace a noun. We don't have a noun still. Or maybe not the opposite, which was the violation of the company rules. I think that's better. Not the opposite. It was not the opposite. She violated the rules. But because violation is now the noun, it's a noun, and we have a noun phrase, violation of the company rules, that makes sense here. Can you